So I'm on the hunt for one of the most famous Italian desserts today, tiramisu. So there's a place in Rome where they have 100 different tiramisu recipes or flavors on the menu. So I'm going to check it out. I don't know what to expect. I actually don't know how you can have 100 different options on the menu, and also how I'm going to select one from all the options. I'm assuming that it starts with the very obvious and goes on to very weird and wonderful stuff. So let's go and check it out. So here I am at 100 tiramisu. So I'm going to go in with my mask on, and there you go. This is the place. And when you enter, as you can see, they have 100 tiramisus on the menu. Wow. It's going to take me a while to select one from here. And you can see everything is made in-house. Right, so I'm going to take a while, pick the ones I want, and let's see what we get. Right, I'm waiting for my tiramisu. What I've done is I've ordered a classic one, and also some others with other flavors, just to see, taste the difference. Actually, obviously there are 100, so I'm not going to be able to taste the whole menu. And it's a really nice place. It's not just tiramisu that they sell. They sell wine, aperitivi, and soft drinks as well. You can either sit inside or outside, like me. So it's a good place to come once you visited all the attractions around Rome, and especially during the summer on a hot day like this, when you're really tired and thirsty and hungry. This is a good place to come to end your day. So yeah, I'm waiting for the tiramisu. Let's see how great they are when they arrive. Well, I hope they're great. Right, so I've received all my tiramisus. So let's start. So I've ordered one classic tiramisu, and let me check the menu actually, because it's a lot to remember. So the second one, this one, is actually white chocolate with pistachio, and then this one is dark chocolate and orange. Then the last one here is cream of pistachio with crunchy coconut. So yeah, that's a lot of tiramisus. So I'm going to start with the standard one, so that will be my baseline, and I can compare the others to that. Right, okay, the first up, the classic one, or the standard pistachio the standard tiramisu. So here you go, and look at that. Oh, obviously it's really nice, and the coffee flavor really comes through. It's not really overpowering. That's a good thing about it. Sometimes in tiramisu you have that overpowering coffee flavor, and it tastes more like coffee rather than tiramisu. But here it's not like that. It's just a bit of a hint of coffee mixed with all the other flavors, which is great. And obviously it's topped up with chocolate flakes, which is great. Oops. Right, so that's the first one, and I'm going to move on to the next one. Right, I'm on to my second one. It's white chocolate with pistachio, and look at all the pistachio crunches on top. It already looks yummy, so I'm going to dig in. Right, so it looks really soft. This is actually, I think this is even better than the first one. This is better than the classic one. It's a really nice pistachio taste, and you can barely taste the coffee in here, whereas in the other one it was more pronounced. Yeah, it wasn't really coffee flavor, or rather the coffee flavor wasn't coming through too much, only a tiny bit, but in this one it's even less. You can't really taste the coffee, or you can really taste the cream and the pistachio very much in this one. I think if I were to come again, I'll probably order this one over the classic one. Well, I haven't tasted the other two, but for now this is my favorite. Right, now on to the third one. This is dark chocolate and orange, and I'm hoping that it won't be too citrusy. So there it is. Yeah, the orange flavor really comes through, but it's not too citrusy, but it's a really nice sweet taste mixed with the dark chocolate. So it's really good, and yeah, I think it's on par with the classic one, but I think I'm still going to go with the pistachio one. That is still my favorite. Well, it's not to say that this is bad. This is really good, especially if you like citrusy flavors and orange flavor. This is probably be your favorite. But for me, I like the pistachio taste as well, so I might be biased a little bit. But for me, the pistachio is my favorite so far, and I have one more to test. Right, now on to the last one. This is pistachio cream and crunchy coconut. So I'm assuming, well, I'm hoping that this will probably be on par with the second one, because it has pistachio and it has coconut as well. So the competition for the best one is going to be between this and the second one. Well, I hope. It's really nice. The pistachio flavor is not overpowering, and you can really taste the coconut flakes inside that as well. It's a hard one to choose between this and the second one, and also because I've eaten so many different flavors now, I think I'm getting a sugar rush, but I think I probably have to go with the second one, the pistachio with chocolate cream. Was it chocolate cream? Let me just check the menu again. I've taken a photograph. So yeah, it was with chocolate, with white chocolate and pistachio. So for me, out of the 100 flavors that are available here, so I've tasted 4 today, and I think I'm going to go with white chocolate with pistachio as my favorite. So there you have it. Right, okay, so after that I think I'll probably have to stay off of sugar for the next few weeks. But anyway, there you go. If you want to go to Tiramisu Heaven, this is the place to come. Mr. 100 Tiramisu in Rome. So I still have my aperitivo to finish as well. So until we meet again next time, cheers, arrivederci.